Hey everyone, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit a PDF file. This is super helpful if you've ever been sent a PDF that you need to sign or actually edit. It's the free method that I've been using for the last few years. Yes, there are many other different ways to edit PDFs, but in my experience, this is my favorite way to do it. All right, so we're here on PDFescape.com. This is the website, and you guys can see that they actually have a free online one, which works on all of these different browsers, as well as a PDF editor for Windows. So I haven't tried this out myself since I don't use Windows, but I use this one all the time. You guys can see you can use this to edit PDF files, you can annotate PDF documents, you can fill out forms, you can even create forms as well as password protect PDF files. Of course, the paid version allows you to do a bunch of other things, but at least for me, I've never had to pay for it. This has been enough for my usage. So I'll come here, I'll click free online, and it's going to take me to this page. From here, I can create a new PDF document. I can upload a PDF. I can load a PDF from the internet, and I can load a PDF that was previously opened. So as you can see, these need to be under 10 megabytes and less than 100 pages. So I think for most of you guys, you're going to want to upload a PDF that you want to edit. So I'll click on this. So here's going to allow me to drop the PDF right here, or I can click choose file. So I've clicked choose file. I'm going to select a PDF. Click open, and that's going to open it just like this. So obviously I just uploaded a dummy PDF file, so there's nothing on here, but let me show you guys some of the features that you can do on PDFescape. First is you can actually type text. So I'll click the text button here, and then I'm going to click anywhere I want to add text. So let's say I want to add it right here, click that, and I'll be able to type there. Of course, you guys can choose the font here. You can choose the size. You can choose whether or not to do bold, italics, or underline it. And you can choose the color. So say I want to do a red color and I want to make this a lot bigger. That's going to change it like that. If I want to do another line of text with different settings, I'll just click this and that again. I'll click, let's say here. I'll change this again back to, let's do a small font. Let's make it bold and let's make it green right here. And let's just choose another font, Courier New. Cool. So that's how you add text. You guys can also add an image if you want, and you can actually add a link, which not a lot of people know. So I click that and I go here. I can put the URL. So let's say we want to go to google.com. Click OK. And that's going to create this. Another thing I really like about this is that I can actually use whiteout. So let's say I don't want this text anymore. I'll click whiteout right here, and I can just literally drag and cover any text I want. I can change the size of it if I want to change that. But after that, just click enter. And as you can see, we can no longer see that text. I can block this out too if I want. And then the other thing I like to do with this is use the freehand tool. So in here, I like to actually just use this to sign. So all the documents I get for contracts and things like that, I'll just put it into PDFescape and I'll use the freehand tool and sign it. So let's say my signature looks like that. That's basically how you do it. If you guys are creating PDFs, you guys can actually create a form field if you want. So let's say I want to do a text form field. I'll click select, and I can drag to put this form, and I can put it right there. So now if I actually, export this PDF document, the person that opens that up is going to be able to type in that section. You can also annotate PDF notes. So if you go here to the annotate tab, you can see you can add a sticky note, you can insert text, you can underline text, you can highlight text, you can strike out text, and you can even add rectangles. So let's say I want to highlight some text. I'll click on that, and let's say I want to highlight it like this. Bam. It's going to highlight that. So really cool. And if you guys want to come here to page, you guys can see you can actually move the page, you can rotate it, you can crop it, and you can also delete it. You guys can come up here and change the view if you want. So fit 50%, 100%, whatever works for your browser. And then once you guys are done doing that, let's say I want to actually save this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this. It's going to save it on PDFescape. But what I like to do most is click on this button, which is going to actually save and export this as an actual PDF. So I'll click this, and as you can see, it's going to export it into a PDF file. You guys can also directly print from PDFescape. So I can click on this and click print right there. Overall, amazing little website that's completely free to use. I've never had to pay for this. And yeah, I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching this quick little tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this. On this channel, we make a ton of free guides and tutorials aimed at helping entrepreneurs. Thanks so much for your time. I'll see you in the next video.